Maestro di Vedico, and today I want to present a rule that I have published in Lunar Astro Magazine in 2024. It is a nadi KP astrology method, and it will give the set age, year of marriage. Of course, using common sense. Now, the second and 11th house are the prime houses for marriage. The 7th house is a prime house for marriage, partner, and spouse. The 2nd house is a prime house of family, and the 11th house is a house of gain of life partner, spouse, family, fulfillment of desire. Then we have extra houses. The 5th house, house of love. The 8th house, eternal sexual organs. The 12th house, bed pleasure. The formula are, then let you with one horoscope I will present, or have other. You will understand what I'm talking about. The primary formula is A is the year, B is the year, C formula is the year, and D formula is the year. Secondary formula is A plus B divided by 2 is the year, A plus C divided by 2 is the year, A plus D divided by 2 is the year, B plus C divided 2 is the year, B plus D divided 2 is a year, and C plus D divided by 2 is a year. The third formula is A plus B is a year, A plus C, A plus D, B plus C, B plus D, and C plus D is the year. The extra rule are: number 1, from Moon Jamna Nakshatra, progress Moon up to Venus Nakshatra, that are 2, 11 and 20, or the 7th Lord Nakshatra. Number 2, you check with birth year, I will show you. Number 3, the 7th Shrub Lord, planet or star lord, shows the year. Now, as I told you the formula before, A and B plus B, if you remember, the combination is, formula A is 2, 7, 11. In all the horoscope, if you the total years that can give you the formula A, looking at the houses 2, 7, 11, gives total possible years 27. Formula B, that is 2, 5, 7, 11, gives total years 35. Formula C, 2, 5, 7, 11, 12 gives 44. And D gives 2, 5, 7, 11, 12, 53 years. Now, of course, we must use common sense in modern time. The girls' marriage usually from 25 to 30 approximately. For men, in modern days I'm talking about, for men the age marriage is usually from 28 to 35 approximately, depending on the culture and the country we live. So first we must see if the marriage is promised in the horoscope, looking at the 7th Kuspal's Lord. Or an alternative way is, if more than one planet signifies marriage combination 2, 7, 11, and if also Venus, the Kalaga of marriage, signifies strongly 2, 7, 11 in sign level, star level, and sub level, then the event of marriage will be promised in the chart. Start with primary formula A. Let's say the total is 16. Then see in which dasha the year falls. 16 in modern times is not an age for marriage. So we will reject it and go for the next formula B. Let's say it shows age 23. Then check the dasha ruler if it agrees with the marriage event Then check the Bhukti law also. Take every formal calculation in consideration and see which year could be possible year of marriage. Now we'll make an example. Okay, this is the chart of Lee Harvey Oswald, born 18 October 1939 at 21:35 p.m. New Orleans, Louisiana, 6 west of UT. Now this is the combinations of the nadi KP system. Now the sun signifies 4 and 3, nobody is in this star, so he's a sublord of the 7th cup, so I'll write 7. And he's in the star of Mars, that signifies 8, 6, 11, in the sub of Ketu, that is in 10th house, 10th cup, conjoins Saturn, that signifies 10, 8, 9, and so on. Now, how do I make these predictions? Now, in those periods, in that period, men used to marriage from 18 up to 25. That period, right? Now, the formula A, that is combination 2, 7, 11, gave 16 years, too young. So I use the formula B, that is, the formula B is 2, 5, 7, 11, it gave me 23 times. Now I will show you how I do it. Now the sun signifies 7, so I'll write 7 here. 11, 7, 11. The moon 7 and 2, so I can show you 5. The moon signifies 7 2 times, but you write it only once, and also with the other houses, cups. Mars 11, 7, 2, 5. Mercury 5, 5, 7, 2, 2. There's no 11 here. Jupiter 7, signifies 7, and 5. Venus signifies 5. The Sun 7. Saturn signifies 11. There's no Ketu signifies 7, 2, 11, and also 5. Ketu signifies 7, 5, 5, and that's all. Now, let us count formula B. 2, 5, 7, 11. How many times is in his chart? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and 23. 23 times. So it is the age 23. Now, if we count the year of birth, 1939, plus 23, we arrive at the year 1962 in Ketu Bhukti, right? Actually, the event came out in Dasha of Moon Bhukti of Mercury. Now, Why it will not happen in Ketu? Because the star, in the star, Ketu signifies only 8, 10, 8, 9, and only the sublord is strong, 7 and 5. So it will not happen in Ketu Bhukti. It will happen in Mercury Bhukti. Why? Because Mercury signifies 5 in the star lord, 5 in a planet, and the decided sublord, in moon sublord, 7 too. So it will happen in moon Mercury. So it gives the 22nd year. Now, to be sure, we have other rules, extra rules. Rule number 3 rules. Now, then I have our extra rules, right? Moon progression. Moon is in star 20 of Venus. I could just say 20 years, but we are talking about his age 22 or 23. So, count 22 nakshatra from moon position. We arrive at the stars at nakshatra Swati 15 of Rahu. So it confirms Bhukti of Mercury. Rule number 2, the age rule, the year rule, 1939. 1 plus 9 plus 3 plus 9 is 32nd year. Number confirmation. Rule number 3. The 7th sublord is the Sun. The star lord is Mars in Sravana Nakshatra 22. So these 3 extra rules confirms Mercury Bhukti. So in this way we can find the Sat year of marriage. If you want to read more details, you can read it in Lunar Astro Magazine, should be June 2024. Okay, see you next time.